This client has been getting her lashes done for years and she always had trouble cleaning the base of her lashes. You can see from this perspective the buildup of oil, dead skin, and some makeup residue. I see this more frequently with my mature clients. Here I'm just taking thin slices of tape and lifting up her eyelids to expose the base of her lashes. Then I start cleansing the lashes with the lash shampoo. I also like to place a dry paper towel to catch the excess liquid from seeping into the eye. I always scrub side to side and try to place the lint-free brush against the skin in order to reach the buildup. I divide the eye into 3 sections, the outer, middle, and inner corner. I go through each section thoroughly and I pick up more shampoo as I tackle each section. You might lose some extensions or natural lashes during the cleansing process. This is completely normal. Especially if the client is not able to clean their lash line properly, it's probable that the residue was holding the extension or lashes in place. For normal lashes, going over the lashes once with lash shampoo should be sufficient. However, if the client comes in with buildup or makeup residue, you can go over the lashes with shampoo more than once. This is the extra step that I do for clients with buildup. I lift the eyelashes with a mascara brush, exposing the base of the lashes. Then I take a bit of shampoo and scrub the base of the lash line. And this is a great way to break loose some of those stubborn pieces. By properly cleansing the lashes, you can already see a big difference. Clean lashes promotes healthy lashes, so try to advise your clients on the proper cleansing method that they can do at home. After the lashes are cleansed thoroughly, I rinse the lashes with saline. For clients who has oily skin, buildup, or makeup residue, I go over the lash line with a pre-treatment or primer. Make sure that the microbrush that you use is damp and not dripping with the product. I take a microbrush and wipe down the base of the lashes. And this is going to make sure that the skin and each strand of hair is squeaky clean for the application. After that step, we conclude by drying the lashes. And the lashes are ready for application. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below because I would always love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye!